I get no kick from champagne, where alcohol doesn't thrill me at all. It's a lie. So tell me, why should it be true that I get a kick out of you? Some get a kick from cocaine. I'm sure that if I took just one more sniff, that would bore me terrifically too. Yet I get a kick out of you. This is where it gets hard and rather sad. I get a kick every time I see you standing there before me. I get a kick, though it's patently clear that you obviously don't adore me. I get a kick in a plane, flying too high with some bird in the sky is my idea of nothing to do. Yet I get a kick out of you. Well, it's the sort of stuff I do at home. I hope you're at home, because self-isolation is really the only thing that's going to save us. So, pick up a uke. Bore people with your terrible singing. Get that book that you've always meant to read and read some poetry aloud. Paint a picture, do what you can. I'm just sort of sticking with the uke at the moment. Hey, good looking, help. No, let's not do it.